Hey everybody! Today we are talking about how to dilute Thieves Cleaner.
Yes, so how many of you guys are confused about the ratios that are on the back of the Thieves Household Cleaner bottle? 30 parts water, 1 part cleaner, 15 parts water. Confusing?
Yes. It can get a little confusing, so we are making it super simple. So first we're going to start off with the light degreasing ratio. So when you see on the back, it says light degreasing. What you're going to do is you're going to add 3 cups of water to 1 capful of cleaner. This is the easiest way to do it. Now, I'm normally not a measuring person. I would just pour this in the bottle, but
yes.
For this video's sake, we're going to use a funnel. So you guys can see right here, we're going to put in 3 cups of water. We already pre-measured this out. So we have 1 cup. Oh, it's being a little slow. There we go. 2. And then this is our 3rd cup of water. And then we will add 1 capful of Thieves Cleaner. So you just get the cap right here. You get your Thieves Cleaner. You pour it into a cap. Normally, I don't have to use a funnel, but we're just using it, like I said, for the video.
So we don't make a splash.
So we don't make a splash. But normally, I never spill at my house. So that is your light degreasing ratio. And you want to make sure that when you're cleaning with Thieves Cleaner, you want to use a glass spray bottle, a chemical-resistant spray bottle, like a chemical resistant plastic bottle, because the Thieves Cleaner has essential oils in it, and you don't want those essential oils to eat away at the plastic,
right.
Because they will do that. So a little tip that I have is I actually use my old, you can see it right here, let me go right here. You can see my old Thieves cleaning bottle right here. Once it's empty, I will reuse this and add a squirt top, and I will use this to clean my house with it. So that's a little cleaning hack that you can do.
Mm-hmm.
So that's your light degreasing ratio. What you clean with your light degreasing ratio are things like windows, mirrors, maybe surfaces that are a little bit more porous or more fragile. Maybe you'd want to clean like granite, or you want to clean like
anything that's got a delicate surface.
Delicate
that
surface
could do any damage to.
Yes. So that's what you want to use this for. Things that don't have as heavy of a stain.
Right. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the medium ratio, and that is 2 cups, so 2 8-ounce cups of water.
Let's put 1 cup in
to 1 capful of Thieves Household Cleaner. Thank you.
And I'm normally not a measurer. I just eyeball it.
Let's be
so
real.
You guys can eyeball it too. We don't measure at home, but you get the idea.
We want it to be professional in our video, so just so for those of you who are measurers, you can follow us. The rest of us, we're all eyeballers at home. So this is the medium dilution ratio, and it is good for pretty much everything. I use this for my kitchens, bathrooms, countertops, that type of thing. It smells amazing. Another use that I have for this, if any of you have hardwood floors at home, they smell amazing after cleaning them with Thieves Household Cleaner. And when I'm doing floors like that, I'll use hot water and with the same ratio of dilution. Spray it down and then do my mopping.
This is your most versatile ratio, like Leslie said. You use this, if you're when in doubt on what ratio to use the medium degreasing ratio. And then finally, how to dilute. Using the heavy degreasing ratio, you put 1 cup of water to 1 cap of Thieves Cleaner. So we will, as you can see, we're adding 1 cup of water to 1 cap of cleaner. And what you want to use this type of degreasing ratio for are for harsh stains. So say you have a harsh stain on your carpet, maybe some food that's stuck on a high chair, or some of your bigger stains that you need maybe to let it sit longer, or they need just some more elbow work in. Use the heavy degreasing ratio. I use the heavy degreasing ratio quite a bit, actually. I even use it for my laundry. So in my laundry room I have one of these, and I fill it up with water, and then I put like 2 to 3 caps of Thieves Cleaner in this, and then I just keep it in my laundry room, and I squirt all my stains on any of my shirts, especially my little boy's clothes, because he is just a giant mess. I spray it on all of his stains, throw them in the washer, and then they always come out looking super clean. So that is how you dilute Thieves Cleaner. The 3 simple ways. It's very simple and very easy.
Absolutely.
So we hope this helped clear some confusion about how you dilute Thieves Cleaner. It's really simple, and you don't have to be exact. We used funnels and we measured out the water exactly, but when I'm at home, I can just eyeball it and I say, okay, I have about, let's see, 3 cups of water in here. I'm going to add, 1.5 to 2 capfuls of Thieves Cleaner.
Which is one of the things I love about our product, because it is chemical free, all natural based. You don't have to worry about, okay, well, how much damage am I doing? There's no worry about that, save for pets.
No harsh chemicals. I literally just have Thieves Cleaner underneath my kitchen sink. But that's all I have underneath my countertop, so I never have to worry if I'm in my room and my son's playing in the kitchen or my dog's in the kitchen and they're getting underneath the sink. I don't have anything to worry about.
To clean.
Yeah. Such a great peace of mind. So comment below if you have any other questions about Thieves Cleaner, and hope you guys have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Bye.